we're given the error function, which is used in probability statistics and engineering. The error function is defined to be 2 over the square root of pi times the integral from 0 to x of e to the negative t squared dt. In part A, we're asked to show that the integral from a to b of e to the negative t squared dt can be written in terms of error functions. So the integral from a to b of e to the negative t squared dt. Well,
if you're one of those type of fellas. For instance, if you like a couple of big favorites this week, parlays are perfect because they look
we can rewrite this as the integral from 0 to b of e to the negative t squared dt plus the integral from a to 0 of e to the negative t squared dt. Using integral properties, we can rewrite this as integral from 0 to b, and in fact, I'll write this as root pi over 2 times 2 over root pi times the integral from 0 to b of e to the negative t squared dt minus 2 over root pi times the integral from 0 to a of e to the negative t squared dt. But notice that by definition this is root pi over 2 times error function evaluated at b minus the error function evaluated at a. This is what we wanted to show for part A. Then in part B, we're asked to show that the function y equals e to the x squared times the error function evaluated at x satisfies the differential equation y prime equals 2xy plus 2 over the square root of pi. Well, all we have to do is simply plug our function into this differential equation on both sides. So first let's find the left-hand side y prime. By the product rule, this is derivative of e to the x squared, which is 2x times e to the x squared times the error function evaluated at x plus e to the x squared times the derivative of the error function, which this is going to be 2 over root pi. And then by the fundamental theorem of calculus, the derivative of the error function is 2 over root pi times e to the negative x squared. Since the function e to the negative t squared is continuous for all values of t.
That's easy. That's hard eight. That's a hard eight. Hard up. Here's the thing. People think we make a lot of money off the podcast. We actually gamble every. I've lost every on the show.
Now that's the left-hand side.
The only way to win is time. The longer you spend, you're due. You're due. I'm up. I'm hard eight, hard up for a hard eight. It's sick. Yeah. So you know that saying, the house never wins. If you join right now, my hardly ever will double your deposit. Like sister.
Actually, we can simplify first, and this is equal to 2x times e to the x squared,
Wow.
error function of x, plus, and this is simply 2 over root pi times e to the 0, which is the same as 1.
That's a good show.
Now we can rearrange, since error function is y over e to the x squared. This is 2x times
Not during the show. Not during this
Well,
part of the show where we're just talking about
e to the x squared error function x. This is y. This is 2xy plus 2 over root pi. And this is the right-hand side of the equation. Therefore, the function is a solution to this differential equation.
That's promo code enter promo.
No, that's not.
Oh, it's come to.
Oh, okay. Now I can tell.